Alright, I want to show you guys real quick. I have a Super Boost I just put on here for this particular one, but I haven't hooked it up to the capacitor yet, and I want to show you the inrush current. So go ahead and kick it on, dear. So it's 58.1 amps. That was our inrush. Okay, and if you notice on this, the locked rotor amps is 48, and so we were exceeding that. So now I've put on the Super Boost. Super Boost is attached to the attached there to the capacitor, and now we're going to do inrush with the Super Boost attached. Go ahead, Kim. $31.4. Quite a significant reduction on the by just installing a start kit or a Super Boost to your unit. Will actually use less electricity when starting up, less current, and that also equate to longer life of the system.